Energy harvest is a product that captures hydrogen due to its unlimited source in replacement of the usage of fossil fuels in producing petroleum. As we all know, petroleum is on a high demand within trend due to the increasing population and technology development, hence the consumption of petroleum rises. This product captures hydrogen using electrolysis from seawater and uses solar power to generate electricity. With the investment of hydrogen harvesting technology, our country, Malaysia, might be ahead of other countries and have the possibility to be able to control the fuel market in the future. Due to the rising global demand, the oil and gas industry do face three major challenges, which is the reduction of production costs, optimization of the performance of its industrial-based assets, and also improving its environmental footprint. The objective of this project is to be able to reduce the usage of petroleum fuel while encouraging the use of hydrogen fuel, and also to produce fuel with unlimited source and at the same time reduce the greenhouse gas emissions caused by the combustion of petroleum. The hypothesis we made for this project is with the reduction of petroleum combustion, it contributes to a better future for the environment. The significance of our research is that it creates a safe habitat for the lives on Earth, especially aquatic lives, due to the seizing of land and deep-sea mining or exploration. Next, it also creates awareness for people to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions that contributes in global warming. And lastly, our research can also be done as a reference for others so the energy can be generated continuously with unlimited supply.
Literature review. The limited and unlimited supply for liquid fuel has been well researched. Although not many has done a research for hydrogen fuel, the National Science Foundation had done one as they said hydrogen fuel is one great fuel. But with the condition it had to be made instead of being found. Despite the abundance of seawater, they have to use the electrolysis process in order to prevent the ions to change into a toxic gas, rather produces hydrogen without doing any harm. With this in mind, hydrogen fuel can be made in a continuous manner. This study has proved that the ability to create hydrogen from sustainable source will be a helping hand for the oil and gas industry for the production of hydrogen fuel. Research method. In order to be able to do this research, we use the observation and experimental method. The thought of climate change caused by the greenhouse gases emitted had made us have the thought of changing the present problems and prevent problems such as global warming in the future. We did some research based on fuel and did some experiments where we found the way to produce hydrogen fuel.
Result and discussion. Advantage. Most hydrogen power plants often use other non-renewable sources to separate the hydrogen from oxygen. Our goal, however, is to get rid of using non-renewable source and choosing the greener choice by using solar electrolysis on salt water. Disadvantage, however, gasoline is still being widely used and at the moment, hydrogen is still not being widely introduced. It would become a little bit expensive just to think about replacing all the gasoline infrastructure.
After the completion of this research, we have concluded that the production of hydrogen fuel is highly efficient compared to other energy sources. Also, hydrogen fuel is proven to be more powerful and energy efficient than fossil fuels that are used to produce petrol fuel. This project does indeed contribute in preventing the production of greenhouse emission and carbon footprints. The production for the hydrogen also doesn't cause any sound or visual pollution as the only thing formed is water and no pollutant. The period in completing this whole project doesn't take too much time, as it takes for only about a month fully to complete the project and thesis. The major implication of our project is to encourage the uses of hydrogen fuel, as the production is more simpler and is environmental friendly, thus has a higher quality than other fuels. Another implication that we could state is that we believe that this project can be able to help in the development of an organization such as the oil and gas industry.